Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Maintain Stability. The song is Stay, the artist is GLEN Jones, and the choreography is Jackie B of Dance for Fun for Life. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, please watch till the end and I'll click right here. Let's go.
Since I had the strangest dreams, I came in that you were gonna leave me. I wake up and I find it's true. What will I do without you? I don't know. I don't know what it takes to get to you, back to you. But I know, yes I know, baby I'll be true. Only you would stay. I know I made you cry. You don't have to say goodbye. Baby, look me in my eyes. Even though I told you lies, you don't have to say goodbye. They say that lovers come and lovers go. Your lips indispensable to me. I really just wanna be with you. So what are we gonna do, girl? I don't know. I don't know what it takes to get to you. Yes I know. Baby, I'll be true. Only you would. Even though I made you cry, you don't have to say goodbye. Baby, look me in my eyes. Even though I told you lies, you don't have to say goodbye. I'll never find another love like yours. Truly rare. I just love the way you do me. The moon is bright, the stars are bright. I'll hold you tight through the night. I need the love you're giving to me. I want you to stay.
That is Maintain Stability. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.